everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life with Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of February 21st through the 27th in my Recollections vertical. So this week I'm using this kit from Planner Problem. It's called Paris. I wanted to stick with a kind of pink Valentine's-ish theme, but I didn't really want a Valentine's kit since we're now after Valentine's Day. But I thought that this would be really cute and still kind of has the pink and love and stuff like that. So I just printed off the first page of the kit because this is really the stuff that I need and the stuff I find helpful from Planner Problem kits. And then I also pulled some washi. So these two are from Park Lane from Joann's set. I'm going to use this one on the bottom because I kind of want to bring out the like graphic black nature. This one is from Dollar Tree and it's kind of sparkly but also black. This one's also from Dollar Tree, not sparkly but black. This one is from Amazon, I think I'm going to use this one as well. And then lastly, this one is from Amazon and it's kind of like filigreed. I think this is going to be my second one that goes on the bottom. So my plan is to use these two as my bottom washi. And then I think I'm actually going to use these three as my other washis. I think I might do it in this order. I think that's going to be my plan. So I'm going to stick those down. I pulled out this gold one because I thought I might use it for headers, but I kind of feel like I don't want to this week, so I might just not do that. And then I also have these two skinny washis from Amazon just in case I need them. I pulled those out. So I'm going to stick down all of these washis, pull out my slice tool, pull out my Tombow correction. So I'm going to do all of that stuff and then come back so that we can do all the interesting bits. All right, here is where we currently stand, which I think is looking really cute. So we have two black dominant boxes and two white dominant boxes and then 4 pink dominant boxes. So I think my plan is to kind of split up the pink dominant boxes. I feel like these two go together and these two go together. So that's how I'm going to use them. I'm going to use this as my quote box because I think it's like the most interesting of all of them. So more appealing as a quote box. A little bit of scrippy scraps. For those of you who remember me being super frustrated last week with my cutting, I do feel like I got better at it this week. No promises that's gonna last, but I did my best. Also, the top washi, well, like the middle washi, the washi that's going over these full boxes is too wide. But once I cover it with the full boxes, you can't even tell. So I'm just not worrying about it. And let's see. Oh, I also had to actually line up and trim these guys everywhere because none of these washis were transparent or even translucent. So if you know how I usually end up doing my washis where I just trim the little scrippy scraps between them at the end, could not do that today. Oh, that one I managed to cut too deep for a change. Okay, so there is where we are with the full boxes. I think that looks pretty cute. For the sidebar, I think I'm gonna start out with this guy. I feel like a strip of washi is nice to kind of like divide things up a little bit. Add some gold somewhere other than just down here. I'm also pulling out what for me is my current week, but for you guys is leftovers. I might end up using some of these from Planner One Love, so I'm keeping an eye on all this stuff as well. From my leftovers, if I can find the right page, I thought I had a habit tracker that would work. This gray one might work. Or this pink, maybe? It's kind of bright. So that might be a bit much. That pink is definitely too bright. Maybe we'll just skip a habit tracker this week. Now that sounds crazy, but I kind of like it. For this sidebar situation, I'm gonna pull these guys. I didn't cut deep enough. I'm gonna pull this weekly box. If you can hear my cat in the background playing with his spring, I'm sorry. He's gonna do what he wants when he wants because he's a cat. I'm gonna pull out this guy for whatever I'm going to do. Maybe I should pull out this black to cook as well. That seems fun. I have to cut all of these live because I didn't cut deep enough. If you guys saw my last plan with me, you will know I was super frustrated about it. So I'm going to put this as to cook. Some of these days we're definitely going to end up eating out, but it's fine. This cute little for you, I think that still goes pretty well. And then let me see what I have in the way of checklists in here, because I think that might be pretty helpful. I think I'm gonna use this one. I think this is a really old leftover from my shop, actually, if I am correct. So like really, really old. And then I think I'm gonna use this guy, which is also a really old header. I think from Planner One Love. It doesn't quite match the header that's already here. The one that's on here is a little bit more bold. But I think the style is similar enough that it's going to be fine. So stick that guy in, and then I'm just going to stick this checklist right here. There we go. And then I'm just going to put another strip of this washi, like so. And then I feel like I need slightly more, so I think I'm going to do a strip of this super skinny washi down here. I think that's going to fill the space pretty well. All right, yeah, that looks pretty cute. So there's all of that done. For my weekly plans, I'm going to use these guys for work each day. So I'm just going to stick one here. I'm just going to take all of them off now. Stick one here. This one is going to be different. I think I'm going to use the lighter pink. I'm going to still use one of these because why not? But this is going to be work, and then I also have a work lunch. So I kind of want to be able to have space for both. Also on Monday, my plan with me is going to go up. I'm going to use this like quarter box like so. Tuesday, I believe we have curling. So I don't know the schedule yet because it's a new draw. There's a cat hair underneath here and that really bothers me. Okay. It's a new draw, so I don't actually know what it's looking like so far, but theoretically we're going to have curling. So I'm just going to fill it in like so. That leaves only the skinny strip, but that's enough to write something, so it's fine. Wednesday, Dave has an ambulance shift. I don't know if I'm going to fill that in or not. It kind of depends on how the week goes, whether that is actually going to like have huge impacts on my life beyond him just being out for the evening. But let me see if I can find something that would work to mark that. Or if that's something that I'm just gonna not stress out about too much. Here, this guy works. This is a leftover, who even knows from where at this point. But I'm gonna just stick that down there. That goes pretty well. Okay, that's all I have for the first half of the week. For the second half of the week, I'm gonna stick in my little work guys like so. And then I also have curling Thursday. Theoretically, we might have a bye, also possible, but we'll see how that goes. And then maybe this guy. Friday, I'm gonna post a video. There we go. You'll know what it is by the time you see this. The weekend, I have no idea what's happening right now, so I'm just gonna not fill anything in. I have a lot left still on my stickers, which is good because I'm gonna need it once we get going for the week. But this is kind of where we are with the pre-planning. I'm gonna try to get some more gold up here during the week as well with at least a few stickers, but we'll see how that goes. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here is the finished spread. I'll do a little wiggle and twerk. There is a good amount of foiling on the washi, at least. If I don't mention it came from the kit from Planner Problem, I have 2 half boxes left. I'm going to throw these in my leftovers for future use, but otherwise I managed to use up everything I had from the kit. For the bottom washi, the striped one is from Joann's. That's a Park Lane washi, and then the kind of filigree one is from Amazon, and the super skinny washi is from Amazon as well. This glitter black washi as well as this kind of dot washi are both from Dollar Tree, and then this middle one is also from Amazon. These 2 headers are leftovers, I believe both from Planner One Love, but I'm not totally certain on that. But this weekly checklist as well as this checklist are both leftovers from a Planner One Love kit. This is from Piper Paper Company, Creative Cavern Studio, Piper Paper Company, Creative Cavern Studio, and everything else came from the kit. So really tried to use the kit as much as possible. Didn't use a ton of icons this week, but I do like how it turned out. It's definitely fun and a good end for February, I think. So that's all I have for today. Please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It really helps me out. Let me know what your March plans are. I would love to hear about that as well. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress, finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.